Now on the back side of the gas pedal, there is a spring right here. We're going to use a pick, and we're just going to pop this off. Once that spring is loose, there's a pin on the back side of the pedal pad. We're just going to push this through and pull it out on the other side. Once that pin is pulled out, everything will come apart. You want to take your pedal pad, slide the pin through and into the rod itself. Once that starts to come through, we're going to want to catch this spring. Push that pin through the spring. Now what we're going to have to do is, now that you have a general idea of how that's going to go through, it goes through the spring and through the other side, and then the spring will clip on top of this here. You need to pull this apart and install it this way. You want to take your spring and set this in like that. When this goes through, this will be spring loaded. So we're going to go ahead and line this up. It might take you a couple tries. Okay, pin is through the accelerator rod and through the spring. Let's go ahead and bring that accelerator spring back up. Now we have the spring on there. We're fully functional.